Hello, Namaste, welcome to part-2 tutorial. I am Madhavi, and as you know, in this part-2 tutorial I am uploading the videos which are about the physics topics and not only useful for the IIT and JEE and which are useful for the all students, and not only from 6th to 12. There is it will also be useful for the BTech and degree people also. The concept what I have choose today, which is useful for the all students. Yes. So in our previous two videos, I started about the reflection of light, right? So in the first video, I have explained about the basics of a reflection and the basics of what is the light and what type of properties it has. I have explained, and in the next video, I have explained how the light will be how the reflection will be takes place in the case of a plane surface and as well as the plane mirror. Yes, and in the last video, in the previous video, I have explained about how the light ray will be reflect in the case of a curved surfaces, right? So in that curved surfaces, based on the type of images it will be formed, based on that we are dividing into two types, which is a concave and another one is a convex mirror. So in the last video I have explained how the light will be reflect in the case of the concave mirror. So in other name is a ray diagrams of a concave mirror we have seen in the previous video. If you didn't watch that video, I am just sharing the previous video link in the description box. You can go through and watch the video. And without making any late, let's start the topic of today, which is the ray diagrams in a convex mirror. Concave mirror I have already explained, but the same rules and the same way. The same rules will also applicable here in the convex, which means the same four rules it has, but the way it's reflecting the light will be different. Why? Because we already know concave is a converging mirror, convex is a diverging mirror. Based on this different property, it is reflecting the light in a different way, and that is reflecting the light in a other way, which we have seen in the previous video. Yes. So now let me start today's topic. Ray diagrams in a convex mirror. Same here also. The convex mirror, you already know convex mirror is if it is a convex mirror, pole, center of curvature, focus, it will diverge the light ray, right? It will not converge the light ray. We already know this is a diverging mirror. Yes, it is a diverging mirror. So now we'll see rule 1. Rule 1 in a convex mirror. If I am taking, this is a convex mirror. Whatever, if it is a convex mirror, if it is a concave mirror, center of curvature, focus will be present in this side only. Why? Because center will not change, will be there present in the side only. But here in the convex mirror, this side is a mirror side, this side is a coated side. Even though the pole, focus and center of curvature all will present in a other side only. But here, what is the first rule? But because of that reason, I am extending the principal axis. So in the case of the concave mirror, what is our first rule? If the parallel light ray, parallel to what? Parallel to principal axis. If the incident ray passes parallel to principal axis to the convex mirror, yes, suppose I am taking the parallel incident ray. This is a parallel incident ray. Yes, it can also take here whatever. If it is a parallel to principal axis, where we can take no problem, up or down, whatever. If it is passes parallel to principal axis, we already know this is a diverging mirror. Yes, it will diverge the light like this. It will not converge inside. It will be diverge other side. So whenever it is diverging, but in that case, what is happened when the parallel light ray parallel to principal axis, if the incident ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection, it will passes through the focus. It passes through the focus. But here, it cannot passes through the focus, right? But what is happening here? The same thing. But which is here, which is appears to be passes through the focus. But not directly. It not directly passes through the focus after reflection. Why? Because other side is coated one, light can't enter inside. But it is, when it is diverging, if you are extending backwards, it will appears to be passes through the focus. Am I clear? Not directly. This is the first rule in the convex mirror. And rule 2. Rule 2. same center of curvature, focus. I'm extending the principal axis. Yes, but in that case, what is happened? Second rule: if the incident ray passes through the focus, right? If the incident ray passes through the focus, after reflection, it will pass parallel to the principal axis. Am I clear? In the case of the concave, the same rule, same here also, but a little change. Here, the light ray cannot travel from the focus. It cannot passes through the focus because it is there other side now. But here, what is happened? The incident ray appears to be passes through the focus. The incident ray, not directly, but it will appears to be passes through the focus. Okay, it will not directly, it will appears to be passes through the focus. Okay, then what will be happen? The reflection can be takes place in this way. This is I, this is R. If the incident ray appears to be passes through the focus, after reflection it will pass parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passes parallel to the principal axis. Same rule, opposite here. Yes, same in the concave mirror also. But here it not directly passes through focus. It will be appears to be passes through the focus, and even center of curvature also passes through the focus, passes through the center of curvature. Next, rule 3. Rule 3. Yes. Rule 3, and we'll see. I'm extending the principal axis. So now, so the rule 3, what is there? If the incident ray passes through the center of curvature, am I clear? Yes. Yes. If the incident ray passes through the center of curvature. So here, we already know in the case of the convex, it is a diverging one, and also center of curvature focus lying other side. So the light ray cannot passes. It will appears to be passes through the focus. Here, the incident ray passing like this. Okay, it is appears to be passes through the center of curvature, not directly, but how? Appears to be passes through the center of curvature. But after reflection, what will happen? It will reflect along with the same line. Even in other case also, if the incident ray appears to be passes through the center of curvature, which means passes through the principal axis also, appears to be passes through the principal axis, it will also get reflect along with the same line. Even I can also draw here. If it is appears to be passes through the center of curvature, it will also reflect along with the same line. Am I clear? This is the third rule. And rule 4. Rule 4. Yes. Same in the case of rule 4 is same for the concave and convex. If the incident ray passes through the pole with making some angle to the extended principal axis, and it will reflect from the same point with the making equal angle. That's it. Okay. If it is passes through the pole with making some angle with the extended principal axis, there directly, yes, there it is making angle with the actual real principal axis only. But here it is making angle with the extended principal axis and after reflection it will pass from the same point with the making equal angle. These are the 4 ray rules for the convex mirror. Am I clear, all of you? These are the 4 ray rules. Okay, and that's it about this video. And in this video I have explained about the, I hope you understand clearly. In this video I have explained about the ray diagrams in the case of the convex mirror. Yes, so in the previous video concave mirror, those only simply the same rules, but here these will be appears to be passes through focus, like that we have to add. And some cases, some rare cases, they may also ask these ray diagrams also to you in your final examination. Compulsory the first lesson is a high weightage, which means the more score, it can be scoring chapters. So you should have to focus on the first lesson more to understand that one. Compulsory, we these ray diagrams are the are the basic principles to understand the image formation, to understand the magnification, to understand the problematic questions. For all, the ray diagrams are only the basics. So that's why please practice of these all the ray diagrams which I have already explained to you in the previous video and today's video. And until that time, we'll see you in the next video. Until that time, keep watching the video, and thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like and share to your friends also. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.